Hey guys, how are you doing? So now I'll be discussing the solution of find the substring with maximum cost, which is the question B, or the second question in Biweekly Leetcode contest 101. So let's see what it has. So basically it says that there is a string and there is another string cars, and this cars is basically, let's say ABC is cars, okay, and there is a values of same length. So A will have a value of -1, B will have a value of -1, and C will have a value of -1. And if some values are not present in this cars, then all those values will have equal to, like A will be equal to 1, B will be equal to 2, and so on, if they are not present in cars. And if they are present in cars, then this will be their value, the corresponding index which they have, right? The, let's say for D it will be -1, -1000. For A it will be -1, B it will be -1, and C it will be -1, right? So you got basically, and they have given a string, and they ask us to find out the maximum cost which we can get out of this substring. Cost is basically the sum of all the values, okay, all the value of each, sum of value of each character in that substring, okay. So basically we need to find the maximum cost. So if you see ABC all have some value, right? So let's say in this case, in this case we can in this case actually, as all are -1, we take an empty sub array, and that's our deal. Anyways, in this case ADAA, let's say ADAA, okay, ADAA, value of A is equal to 1, and value, why? Because it is not in cars, and value of D is equal to -1000, right? So we can see that this sub array gives us 1 plus 1 equal to 2 cost, right? This sub array gives us 1 cost. This sub array gives us -199 cost, 1 plus -1000. This sub array also gives us -999, 1 plus -1000, and this sub array gives us -998. Yeah. So you understand how we are calculating for each sub array, right? So basically, if you see, we can convert this string into an array which can be written as 1 1. And now we need to find out the maximum sum. Maximum sub-array sum can be found out using Cadence algorithm. If you don't know Cadence algorithm, I'll ask you to check it out. Actually, it's basically, unless our current sum is less than 0, we keep on adding values, and whenever it is less than 0, we break our array, and we break our sub array, and say that this was it. And each time, for every value, for every index, we keep on taking the maximum at every stage. Basically, that is what we do. Basically, you can see that in this case I am storing all the characters value in a map, and at first I am iterating over cars, and I am storing all the values of those which are in cars, and after that all those which are not in cars, using this formula which is already asked in the given question. Like it is already given in this question that this is the formula. Now basically this part is the Cadence algorithm part, which says that key whenever the current, like if ever our current is less than 0, we break the sub array, and we say that okay, this was it, and now we want to start the new sub array. We don't want to carry on this sub array, because it is not doing us any favor, right? So, and if it is positive, then we keep on adding, and at every point we keep on taking maximum of the current value, and that gives us the maximum sub array sum. And it's a very famous algorithm and a very basic one, Cadence algorithm. If you don't know, I'll ask you to read about that, and if you want, you can see videos about that too. So yeah, that's it from my side for this question. I hope you like the explanation. Thank you.